Hello dear creatives, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Adiola and I'll be teaching you how to make a beautiful bridal hairpiece, and we usually call this bridal hair vine. And please, before we continue this class, I'd like you to know that this video tutorial has been made downloadable for you for your personal use only. Please do not share this video, okay? And do not sell this video. Thank you very much, because legal actions will be taken if anybody is caught selling this video tutorial. Okay, so let's just go right into the class. I have on my table right here my bias strip, which is white, and because this is bridal, you can either use ivory, cream color, off-white, or plain white. And I have my comb right here, which I'm going to be using to make this stay to the head. You can decide to use Alice band if you want, but for this tutorial I'll be using a bridal hair comb. And also I have my wire cutter right here, and the wire I'm going to be using is 0.50 mm. You can decide to use gold, you can decide to use silver, that's fine. And I have my hot glue gun, which I'm going to be using to do some gluing. And I have this beautiful roses right here, which I'm going to be using as embellishment. And I have my glue stick right here, which is my generally called candle glue here in the part of the world, but it's called hot glue. And I have my pearls right here. So I have two sizes of pearls. I have size 6, which is a smaller one, and then I have size 8. That depends on you. Whatever size that you can find, you can just work with it as it says. So let's go right into the class. Creating your vine is very simple, or you can just call this branches, and I'm just going to be needing 4 for the purpose of this training. I'll show you how I made the vines or the branches, whichever one is fine, and then you can go ahead and make yours. So I have my wire right here. Now, depending on how many beads or how many pearls or how many crystals you want to be on your branch, that's up to you. I'm just going to be showing you how to create mine. So I'll be picking one of the size 8 and one of the size 6. Another one of size 8, and then another one of size 6. But if you want it to have, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8 on the branch. But if you want to have, like, let's say the big one at the bottom, the big pearls at the bottom, just go ahead and load your big pearls on the bottom. Let's say on your branch you want to have 9, because it's better for you to have like odd numbers on each branch. So let's say 9. I'm loading. This is 4 already. Okay, so let me just do 7. So this is 4 right here, and I'll just load the smaller ones. 1, 2, and 3. So there you have it right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So what you want to do is you want to fold your wire into 2, and then you start to twist. So I start from the smallest one and then I twist. Okay, so I pick my second pearl as well, and then I twist. So as soon as I get to the middle right here, I'm going to twist the 2 wires together. Okay, so that I can have spacing in between my first bead, or better still, in between my second bead and the third bead. So what you want to do is you don't want your beads to be all on the same line, so you need to space them out. So you notice what I have right here. So 1, 2, you twist down, and then you twist the third one. So as soon as you get to the middle right there, always ensure that you twist the middle of your wire before you pick your next bead. Okay, so I pick my next bead. And then I twist. So I have 3 left. Don't forget to twist the spine downwards a little, and then you continue to twist. So as soon as you pick your beads, you twist to the middle, you twist downwards, and then you keep repeating the process until you finish your beads or your crystals or your pearls, whatever the case may be. So this is the last one right there, and I'm just going to twist it down this way and twist my wire to the end. But first of all, I like to cut this off so I can twist this 2 wire all the way down. There you go. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and what I'm just going to do is I'm going to go ahead and arrange this the way I want it to be on the wire. So I put my wire in between, I need to add some wire right there. Because the wire is short, so that is why I'm just adding some more wire. Okay, so I arrange and then I place in between the comb like this, and I'm just going to twist it across. So you want to twist this as tightly as you can to ensure that it does not keep moving back and forth. And when you are done, you can cut off the excess. So this is one right here, and I will just repeat the process for the other 4. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to use my bias strip to cover up the wire on the comb. So I will just apply some glue right there and just wrap round. So you want to take your bias strip across and you wrap tightly. And please ensure that you cover up as neatly as you can.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say.
Right, so now that I have wrapped my comb, it's better for you to always wrap so that you can have your piece of embellishment glued to a piece of fabric. You can use your bias like I did. You can use your tulle net, just cut it into strip to wrap. You know, anything to just ensure that you neatly wrap the comb is fine, right? So now I'm just going to check how I want this to look like, and then I'll just glue it down. So I apply some glue right there, and then I position it the way I want and I hold it down to dry. You can make your vine longer, shorter, fuller, anything you want. I will leave that to your own creativity, but of course I expect that you try this out. You can send me the pictures or tag me in the post if you wish to post them on your social media handle. Just tag at Adorned by Ruby. I would see your post and I would definitely comment. So I've glued this part right here, can you see? And also the back here, you can just get like a piece of your strip like this and just cover it neatly, which is what I'm actually going to do, because you want to ensure that the back is neatly finished. It's really important. Your finishing is what makes your work different. And like I said earlier, this video is not for resale. Please do not sell this video. Please don't sell this video. It's for personal use, okay? So go ahead and make use of it. And of course, I'm sure you're going to make money from this. And don't stop practicing. This is just a beginner. This is like the most simplest, or the simplest of all the bridal hair vines. And if you're interested in the advanced classes, like the more intricate designs, not like it's difficult, but the ones that, of course, when you see them, you know that, wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I have them. You can just send me a message privately. I'll send you the flyers and the pictures of the design, so that if you want to take your bridal game to the next level, I believe you need that course. So this is just like a starter that will help you, know if you want to go into making bridals or not. So this is what I have right here, and this is the front. If you want, you can decide to attach some stones to your roses. This is actually a factory made. It's done like this, so you can just get those beautiful flowers to make your work easy. Then you attach to your comb and it's ready. Can you see how beautiful it is? Thank you so much for joining in. If you have any questions regarding the bridal headpieces that we have, the other designs that you can create for yourself or your customers, please go ahead and send me a message. I'll be waiting to see your designs as well. My name is Adiola. I'll see you in another class. It's a wrap for now. Bye and have a wonderful day ahead.